How to download and view bank statement on ComBank application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can download and view statement on ComBank application. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to launch the ComBank application in your mobile device. After that, you need to log into your account by providing your login credential. Once you're logged in and you land in this page, now from here tap on the account option from the bottom left corner. Now, once you're under the account page, you have to choose the account from where you would like to download or get the bank statement from. Now, once you're under the account page, there you will be able to see all your statement. So tap on the account with your statement. Now, once you get to your next page, you will have this statement with their date reads. So on next to that, you will find a small download icon. All you have to do is tap on it, and then the statement will be downloaded in your device. After that, you can view your bank statement of your account on ComBank application or ComBank. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.